we have started some second unit. Second unit means thin linear wire antennas. Okay, thin linear wire. That means we have to electronic charge of the source of electromagnetic fields. When those sources are time varying, the EM wave, electromagnetic waves, propagate away from the source and radiations take the place. These radiations can be considered as a process of transmitting electronic energy. Okay, electronic energy. These radiations of the waves into space of efficiency achieved to help of connecting to the direct dielectric structures is called as antenna or radiators. Okay, these antennas yes mainly depend upon Maxwell equations. Maxwell's equations. So first given some electromagnetic fields. So potential functions are electromagnetic fields. These potential functions are electromagnetic fields. It's totally depending upon electronic field or magnetic field. It can be obtained first thing the potential in term of the change charge and current. Its case of electromagnetic field similar to the procedure of the followed. The first potential are obtained in the term of change in current in the electromagnetic or magnetic field obtained from the potentials. Okay, so first we have the equations v of r comma t equal 1 by 4 pi sum 1 by 4 pi omega integration of v rho v r comma t by r into dv. Okay, that means entire it's a total Maxwell equations, not for important for the Maxwell equations, but we have to some Maxwell approaches some Maxwell equations. Okay, this is a totally equations of Maxwell equations, no problem. I have to explain again and again. Next, first topic, the radiation from the alternating current element. Radiation from the alternating current element. These calculate outside current distance J equals 0. Hence, E is expresses in term of vector potential A. Potential meter vector is A. E calculate of the electromagnetic field is radiated in the space of short dipole and small dipole. Okay, so short dipole or small dipole. A short dipole alternating current element also called as oscillating current element. Oscillating current element. An alternating current element is considered as the basic source of radiations. Basic source of radiations. It can be used to building block of the antenna system analysis for the calculating electromagnetic field. These electromagnetic field, the current element or concept of vector potential element. Okay, vector potential element. So a bar of r equal mu by 4 pi at the rate v. Okay, that means that is a divided by dv differentials. Okay, this is a totally calculations. After that we have to see the block diagram. Electromagnetic field the point of p in the alternating current element ideal cos w to place it. So it's totally depending upon x y z, x y z axis. These x and y z axis you have to entire middle place. These middle place also we have to change three-dimensional axis. Okay, the three dimensions of axis ideal cos omega t, that is the middle point. Okay, these dipole antennas is totally concept of small dipole antennas. Radiations of the antennas is a totally I equal I cos omega t. Next, the element of the current following through wire related otherwise expressions and the accelerometer. Okay, next go for E naught. So it totally consider for dipole antennas. Next, short linear antenna. Short linear antenna means total depending upon current element, and we have to consider previously in particular in hyper High potential means there are theoretical calculations of the short linear antennas. So that is the radiations of R. This R is called 2He. That means length. Length is L by lambda. Okay. See that current distributions and voltage distribution figures. Current distributions and voltage distributions. These current distributions, uh, this is the height of the antennas. We have to find out some length. Next, reflecting plane. We have to change the middle plane. So middle one we have to divide it some half of figure. So half means H. Okay. Next this half we have to find some length. Okay, we are checking some length. Length is I. That is the current distributed of monopole. Okay. Next go for half wave dipole or monopole dipole. Half wave dipole means we have to enter one of the antenna. We have to divide it into two parts. That is the half wave dipole antenna. Next monopole means half. We have to divide it again half wave. That is the monopole. That means monopole means there is a small dipole antennas, half dipole antennas and monodipole antennas. Monodipole means very small antennas. Very small antennas means where we are using some very small antennas, we are using some mobile phones. Okay, mobile phones. These antenna we have to divide it into different places and different distance. Okay, those are used for the half wave antennas and monopole antennas. They have to power related means we have to change any antennas. We are using some certain operating voltage. This certain operating voltage minimum 5 volts DC, not a AC. Minimum 5 volts DC. After that, depending upon antenna and depending upon range of antennas, we are using some another voltage like a 12 volts or 24 volts DC, not a AC. Okay, these antenna we have to divide in some power antennas. So these are figures of antennas. These antennas is divided in monopole and half wave antennas. Entire these antenna derivation parts. See that guys. After that you have to again explain in derivation parts. It's a totally radiated power of antennas, half wave antenna and monopole antennas. Next, Agigoda antenna. Nowadays, most important of the Agigoda antenna. This Agigoda antenna with three elements, including one reflector, one driven element, and one director of commonly is called as beam antenna. Okay, this Agigoda antenna is calculated by length of dipole L